students. Today we are going to discuss on articles. What are articles in English language or English grammar? I am Dr. Papari Kolita, Assistant Professor in English, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Assam Downtown University. So let us know what is an article. An article is a word that is used with a noun to specify grammatical definiteness of the noun. That means an article is used with a noun and to specify the position of that noun. That means whether the noun is a countable noun, an uncountable noun, a singular noun, or a plural noun. So, how many articles in English grammar are there? The articles are divided into two types, definite and indefinite article. The is known as the definite article. So, there is only one definite article, that is the. And there are two indefinite articles. Those are a and n. So, there are in total three articles in the English language or English grammar: a, n, and the. So, the is the definite article. This is what you all need to remember. And a and n are indefinite articles. Let us know about how to use these articles in a sentence. So, the rules for using the indefinite article a and n. Where and how to use these two articles, the indefinite articles. The indefinite articles n, a and n cannot be used with uncountable nouns or with plural nouns. As we know, when we say a pen, it means one pen. That means that is a countable noun and it is not plural, it is singular, one thing. So we cannot use a or n with uncountable or plural nouns. Use n if the word immediately after the article begins with a, e, I, o, or u, except where the u is pronounced like a y. For example, an apple, an egg, an interesting result, an odd couple, an umbrella, but a university. Here, why we have used a with university? Because the sound of the word university, beginning sound is that of Y. We don't say university. We say university. That is why the indefinite article a is placed in front of university instead of n. As we know, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels of the English alphabet and the rest 21 are the consonants. In case of consonant sounds, we use the indefinite article A. However, in case of vowel sounds, we use the indefinite article N. This is what you need to remember. And exceptions like university, you need to know the pronunciation, proper pronunciation of a word in order to place an article before a noun. Now, use a, n when you first mention a singular countable noun. This we have already discussed that in case of single countable noun, we need to use a or n depending on the sound. If it is a consonant sound, we use a. If it is a vowel sound, we use n. Now, rules for using the definite article, that is the. Use the for the second and subsequent references to an item. The item could be explicitly referred to or implied. The committee, example, the committee has approved a new policy. The committee means there is a definite committee who has approved a new policy. That is why the definite article the is used. Next, use the when you use most as the superlative form. Example, the most critical step is. So when, as we know, there are informative, comparative, superlative of a word. When you use the superlative degree, like the comparative degree is used to draw a comparison between two things, similar things, and similarly when you use superlative degree, it means that it is the specific thing, the specific quality of a thing is mentioned. So the most critical, like when you say the most intelligent boy or girl in the class, that means it is by that it is referred to a particular boy or a girl who is the most intelligent in that class. So the definiteness, the superlative form, with the superlative form most, the definite article the is used. Use the when using words that specify a particular item. Example, the same student, the only essay, the principal, reason. So when you specifically mention about a thing, then you should use the word or the definite article the. Now we let us understand the rules for using articles. All the articles a and the and zero articles. What is a zero article? We need to know that as well. Or classes of things. Use the definite article the to refer to an entire class of things. The mobile phone has revolutionized communication. So the mobile phone means the class of things, the mobile phone as a whole. Whatever may be the brand, the handset, the facilities that you enjoy, whether it is an iPhone or any Android phone, it refers to the mobile phone. That means all the mobile phones, the class of mobile phones. That is why the definite article the is used. Use indefinite article an with a singular countable noun to refer to a representative of the class of things. A mobile phone is a prime example of how technology has shaped our lives. So here it is told about a singular countable noun. That means a mobile phone. A mobile phone can do many things. That means it is a technological invention that has shaped our life. That is why here the indefinite article a is used. Use zero article with plural countable nouns and with uncountable nouns to refer to a representative of the class of things. Example, mobile phones have revolutionized. If you notice carefully, in this sentence, mobile phones have revolutionized. Here, no article is used. That means zero article is used. Why? Because here the sentence makes its sense without the use of an article. That is why here no article is used. Whereas technology is revolutionizing the way people communicate. Here the definite article the is used because it is referred to the way of communication among or between people. That is why here the definite article is used. Let us look at some examples of articles, the use of articles. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This is a proverb which I hope all of you know. He is a European. Why? He is placed in front of European. Although we see E, that word European starts with E, the sound of this, the beginning sound of this word European is that of Y. That is why here we have used the indefinite article A. He gave me a 1 rupee note. Same in this case as well. Although 1 begins with O, here the pronunciation is that of W. 1 rupee note. That is why the indefinite article A is used. Kalidasa is known as the Shakespeare of India. That means Kalidasa is a poet like Shakespeare is to the people of Great Britain, or like a poet of repute like that of Great Britain. That is why the is used. The boy whom I met today is your friend. That means the particular boy. Here, in order to indicate a particular boy, the definite article the is used. Give me an umbrella. This is indefinite article N is used. So the use of articles actually helps us to define the or understand the position of the nouns. That is all for today. We will exercise in our classes the articles